Well, I just spent 5 hours painting. That was rough. I totally forgot about the PSI pressures in the car. So I'm gonna run home, get my air compressor hooked up, not hooked up, but turned on. Get these tires inflated to 33 is what it says. I'm gonna do 34 because it was 27 and 29 this morning. I don't know. I'm gonna do 35. We'll do 35. It'll be a little overinflated, but as soon as it gets cold again, it'll be underinflated, or the right inflation. Anyway, I'm on my way home. I'll have to get a nice Corvette frame for it. We're legal. Well, I didn't get as much as I wanted to done today. I still got some stuff done. I really just came home and relaxed after work, and now it's time for bed. Sorry the video is very short again, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you tomorrow.